On this episode of Currie Explained, we're going to go over our 59 to 64 Chevy B Body crate rear end. Hi, I'm John Henson for Currie Enterprises, and today we're going to go over our 59 to 64 Chevy B Body crate rear end. That's basically going to cover your Impala and Bel Air from 59 to 64. Now, we build our crate rear ends to be a factory replacement. If you need something custom, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Now, the factory width on this rear end is going to be 60 inches from wheel mount to wheel mount, measured from the face of the brake to the face of the brake, again, mimicking the factory width. We build this 5 on 4 3/4 Chevy bolt pattern with a 7/16 wheel stud. These axles are going to be 31 spline, big bearing, Ford 9-inch Torino housing end with a 2.5-inch axle offset. Now, on these 3-inch diameter tubes, we're going to mount the heavy-duty replacement brackets that we make for your 59 to 64 Impala. So that means that this is going to bolt right in place with the factory suspension, or any suspension that's designed to replace the factory mounts. It's going to have a 3-link on that car now. It's going to have a single arm up top, 2 arms on the bottom. We also do a bracket for your panhard bar and for your factory brake line. Now, moving to the center section, all of our crate rear ends come with our Centurion heavy-duty housing center. On the bottom, we're going to outfit it with the drain plug, and on the side of the third member, you'll have a fill plug over here. We do include a vent. You'll want to take this cap off and push on a hose and plumb that up and out of the way so that the center section will vent. It does ship without oil in the center, so be sure to fill it with 3 quarts of Currie gear oil, 85/140 weight, non-synthetic. Popular brake options are going to be your Explorer brake, which is what you see here on this particular housing. We also have drum brake and Wilwood brake options as well. The third member that we install is going to be a nodular iron case, 31 spline differential options, which include open differential, Currie TWINTRAC, a TRUTRAC, or even a clutch style posi if you still want to run one of those. The pinion support is a Daytona, or what we call a race pinion support, and we outfit it with a 1330 big cap yoke. Options are available to go up or down to a 1310 or a 1350 yoke. On that yoke, we're going to go ahead and supply the U-bolt so that it'll bolt up to your drive shaft. The axle shafts we install are going to be 31 spline. They can be upgraded to 35 spline if you so choose. Powder coat options are there as well. Now, this is gloss black, which is an option. Satin black is also an option, or we can ship it to you in raw steel for you to paint a custom color. I hope this helps you going over the options on our 59 to 64 Chevy B Body rear end. If you want something custom, like a custom width, or if you want to leave off a bracketry, if you're a lowrider guy and you don't want to run a panhard bar, please give us a call. We can custom build this to fit your needs. If you have any questions, give us a call, send us an email, or leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe here. For more tech videos, click here. And for more Currie content, click here. Thanks for watching, guys.